Contacta's STS-K009-IP rated outdoor intercom system provides high-quality sound for entry assistance locations, delivery points, and other open-air applications. The customer side of the system is IP rated, meaning it's designed for outdoor environments. It is fully resistant to water, dust, and dirt ingress. The system comes complete with our open duplex amplifier, a hearing loop, and a freestanding microphone and speaker unit. The IP-rated customer call unit is always on, allowing communication to start without the need to press any buttons. The call button in this unit can be used to trigger a buzzing sound played through the staff unit, alerting staff members of a customer in attendance. With its high-quality microphone and speaker, it delivers clear sound, ensuring both the customer and staff side of the intercom can be clearly heard. In this video, we will show you how to install the STS-K009 system. It includes the following components: a staff microphone unit, a surface-mounted entry unit, 4 screw sticker covers, an A31H amplifier, a hearing loop aerial, power supply, an IEC lead, a mounting bracket, and a hearing loop sticker. To install the STS-K009-IP, begin by installing the outdoor K009 intercom customer unit. Prior to positioning the unit on the surface, remove the green cable plugs to enable the cable to be threaded through the wall. Carefully remove the front panel of the unit on a bench by unscrewing the 4 corner screws and placing these aside for later. Remove the wadding and pull through the cable until you are left with just the box. Next, using a spirit level to ensure the box is straight, take a pencil and mark through the screw holes of the intercom box onto the wall. There is a total of 5 holes to mark, 4 for the box screws and 1 central hole for the audio cable. Now drill the 5 marked holes using a suitable drill for your surface. The central cable management hole requires a bigger drill diameter of 5mm, sufficient for threading the audio cable through. Next, fix your wall plugs into the 4 fixing holes. The system is supplied with 4 universal M3 24mm wall plugs, but please ensure appropriate fixings are used for your intended surface. Place the box unit on the back of the wall, over the drilled holes. Then fix the box to the surface with the 4 M3 25mm screws provided. Feed the cable from the front panel through the cable management hole to the other side of the wall, leaving a little slack to sit within the unit. Insert the wadding installation back into the unit and reattach the front panel to the back box using the screws that were previously put aside, ensuring the seal is in place and in good condition. Finally, use the 4 supplied screw sticker covers to cover the visible silver screw heads. The next step is to install the staff loudspeaker on the staff side of the partition. Place the staff microphone and loudspeaker unit on the desk as close to staff as possible, but without causing an obstruction. It is ideally positioned no more than 300mm away from the staff member. Drill a hole through the surface of the rear of the counter, or use a cable management hole to run the cable through. Next, install the hearing loop and amplifier. To install the under-the-counter hearing loop, ascertain the intended user's position. Install the hearing loop cable so that the center of the created rectangle shape is positioned towards the intended user's position. Place the aerial in an inverted L shape on the underside of the counter, following the example of the displayed installation. Insert the staff microphone connection into sockets 16 and 17, also labelled the staff mic connection. Insert the staff loudspeaker connection into sockets 5 and 6, also labelled the staff speaker connection. Insert the customer microphone connection into sockets 14 and 15, also labelled the customer microphone connection. Insert the customer loudspeaker connection into sockets 3 and 4, also labelled the customer speaker connection. For a hearing loop output, connect to sockets 1 and 2, labelled loop. The power connection goes into the socket labelled PWR. Place the amplifier under the staff counter, ensuring that it will not obstruct staff when they are sitting. The amplifier front should face outwards, with adjustment buttons accessible. Drill and fix the amplifier in place using the supplied screws. The power supply and its cable should be fixed securely using the supplied fixings. Route all cabling securely, fixing cables into position using provided cable clips or other suitable fixings. Please note that the hearing loop aerial is optional, and if you choose not to install it, the intercom system will still work as normal. Ensure all hearing loop signage is displayed prominently. The installation of the IP-rated K009 intercom system is now complete. For further information and to view our product ranges, visit our website www.contacta.co.uk, email us at sales@contacta.co.uk, or call us on 01732 223 900.